YouTubers, here we go with the Geonfino Gateway 2 Gateway wireless hub for your smart lock. And here we go. Got it all hooked up. You can also add Alexa to it or your Google. I'll show you how to do that right now. Right now the gateway is online and that's connected to this one right here. So that's all nearby locks. You can shoot it from your office or wherever you're at around the world. There we go. So you can just zap it. And then I think I go to my Alexa app. And then add the device. Oh shoot, I'm going to sign in. Alright guys, once you log in, you're going to look for the skills in your Alexa app and then download the TTLock, I think it is, and then enter your information, which I'm going to do right now. Alrighty, we got it. Close the window. Discover devices. It's going to take a second to look. So once you do that, sign up. See, it's moving though. It's going to register in a second. There we go. It is connected. Then you get to call it like a back door, front door type deal. You just tell her to unlock and unlock, or lock and unlock. Which it takes a few seconds, you know, first time for everything, and then it takes a few minutes. But just about done. Should pick it up right. There we go. It's connected, set up device, add your lock to a group. We'll just keep it separate. Skip that. Done. There's a lock right there. It means it's on. Waiting for TTLock. It's unlocked. Alexa, lock smart lock.
I don't know that.
Alright, hold on. You can push the button to test that out. It needs to be turned on. Oops. There we go. There we go. We got it. Alexa, unlock smart lock.
Please unlock manually.
There we go.
Enable unlock by voice. Open the Alexa app. Go to devices and edit this lock settings.
Okay, great. There we go. Let me enter my password. Alright guys, we got it all set up. Alexa, unlock smart lock.
What's your voice code for smart lock? Hang on. Smart lock isn't responding. Please check its network connection and power supply.
There we go.
Unlocking. Hang on.
There we
The
go.
smart lock is unlocked.
See? Alexa does it all. Like I said, really cool. This Gateway 2 like I said, get one of these. Get one of these smart locks. Links will be down below. You'll be very impressed with this technology they got out now. So, like I said, really cool stuff. YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.